Hello everybody, this is Mr. D talking to you about the Energy Project. This Energy Project version is primarily a research opportunity into a variety of sources for generating electricity. Then you are going to compare these sources and you're going to make several judgment calls, several evaluations about which ones may be better than the others and why. Make sure during this entire project that you use facts, not opinions, information that is unbiased, repeatable, and able to be looked up. Also, numbers and citations are important for the highest level of grade. So here we go. Let me give you a preview of your project. So first off, if you take a look, you will see that you have got graded on teamwork. You've got your rubric as per normal. Remember, it says here you'll watch videos, conduct research, and report on methods for making electricity, use facts, and determine what is good and bad. Now, you're going to have a grade for teamwork, like most project grades. You then need to get some background information sorted, which will be a series of short Google searches. You'll then have your key research on the various methods, what's good about them, what's bad about them, which is best. You'll then organize that findings into a Venn diagram, and last but not least, you write a paragraph, which is kind of like your conclusion, where you summarize all of these things that we see. So now, you've got your picture here, over down here. This tells you all the pieces of your project, and it is a checklist. You can actually click the boxes and check them off once one thing or another is done. These videos that are here, these ones are ones that you should definitely watch as a group, but you may not need to watch each and every video. You may want to divide and conquer and then share what you've read, what you've seen. Make sure you do take some notes while you are looking at them. That way you have a good chance of being able to share your information well with your teammates. Typically, I would divvy this work out so that everybody has about an equal amount of time. This first one, the Making Electricity Explained, will probably be done in class and everyone should definitely watch it. You're then going to do all the things that are said here. The background info is your first set of research. You are given information about what is a traditional source, what is an alternative source, and what is a renewable source. This terminology will help guide you because you're going to have to say which is each of these sources in this column here, some of which I have already filled out for you. As you can see, I have already said that coal is traditional, nuclear fission is alternative, and wind is renewable. And these examples will be used again. Over in the hydrogen cell, you can see that I supplied you with this definition to give you an example of what I'm looking for. This should just be an overview of what each of the types are. You then have some key words that you need to check and a place for you to write your cites down. This is very important because as you write your cites down, you will use that as inline citations. You'll make a fact and you'll say where you got that fact from. You'll say another fact and then you'll say the letter of which you used, whether it was A, B, C, or D. You may have more than these four, but you need the minimum of the Wikipedia plus 3 others. Now, then you will get to the research section. Now, I'm not going to spoil that for you. The research section is one that you're just going to have to answer the questions that are provided, making sure that you use sources that are reliable with numbers, citations, and definitely clear facts. Now, if we take a look at the Venn diagram section, this Venn diagram part is going to be done for physical paper for this year. Other years I may have them be a digital version, but the directions are still going to be the same. You're going to list the methods in black pencil on the outside of the Venn diagrams areas. These are our 12 methods that we're looking over. Positives will be in green and blue, and you can see that there are 9 positives plus an other section, just in case you find something else that's really important to list. And then the negatives will be red and orange. Again, there are 9 of them, and they have another, other, that is. Any other info you have that is important, use pink or purple pencil, and on the back of that sheet or the bottom of the digital document, make sure that you choose a prompt and then complete it. That will conclude the Venn diagram part of the project. The last part of the project is a paragraph. You're going to summarize, meaning focus on the main points of your research and your findings regarding the electricity production in the US. There are several prompts that I provided that you may choose to use one or more of to help guide your paragraph. But in the end, this paragraph should be kind of your wrap-up, your conclusion for everything that we have been doing with this project. It should be the very best of your work. Proper grammar, facts, citations, and numbers will be required, and this is one of the 5 sections that you will be evaluated on. Good luck, don't give up, and you'll be fine. Take care. Bye.